Welcome to Cooking Bells, the channel where flavor meets nutrition. I am Oritri, a dietitian by profession and a passionate cooking enthusiast. I believe that a delicious meal can be both satisfying to your taste buds and nourishing for your body. With a background in nutrition, I am excited to share the recipes that are not only delectable but also mindful of our health. Here on Cooking Bells, we will explore the art of creating mouth-watering recipes that will be packed with goodness. I have always been fascinated by the harmony between the ingredients. So, I am here to guide you through the process of creating balanced meal. From vibrant salads that burst with colors to hearty comfort food that warm the souls. Cooking Bells will be your go-to resource for recipes. But Cooking Bells is more than just a cooking channel. It is a community. I invite you to join me on this culinary journey where we explore new flavors, share stories, and come around the dining table. Whether you are a seasoned home cook or just starting out in the kitchen, Cooking Bells has something for everyone. So hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a delicious adventure together. So, get ready to ring the cooking bells and turn your meals into a symphony of taste and nutrition.